Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a Nintendo DS. First, locate the power button, usually on the right side of the console, and press it to turn on the system. Next, insert your chosen game cartridge into the slot found on the top edge of the device. Make sure the battery is charged, or simply connect the AC adapter to a power outlet and the console. You are now ready for your first gaming session. Once your game loads, you will use the D-pad on the left for character movement or menu navigation. The four face buttons, A, B, X, and Y, located on the right, are for various in-game actions. Remember, the bottom screen is a touchscreen, so grab your stylus or use your finger for interactive elements. You can also adjust the volume with the slider on the console's left side, ensuring a perfect audio experience. Beyond single-player adventures, the Nintendo DS offers exciting features. Many games support local wireless play, allowing you to connect with friends who also have a DS console and compatible game. Some titles even use the built-in microphone for unique interactions, like blowing into it to extinguish a candle or shouting commands. Don't forget to explore the system settings to personalize your experience, adjusting screen brightness or sound. To ensure your Nintendo DS lasts for many years of enjoyment, proper care is essential. Always use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean both screens, avoiding harsh chemicals. When not in use, store your game cartridges in their original cases to protect them from dust and physical damage. Finally, keep your console away from extreme temperatures and moisture to prevent any internal component issues. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.